8 Ideal Egg Breakfast Recipes to Lose Weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Today, we will unveil 8 healthy breakfast egg recipes for weight loss. Start your day off right with these delicious and nutritious egg-based breakfast recipes that are specifically designed to support your weight loss goals. Packed with protein and other essential nutrients, these recipes will keep you satisfied, energized, and on track with your weight loss journey. Let's dive in and discover the flavors and benefits of these healthy breakfast options. Number 1. Breakfast Casserole, 210 calories. Indulge in a flavor-full breakfast casserole with approximately 210 calories. Offering a satisfying and weight loss-friendly breakfast option, this casserole combines eggs, vegetables, and spices, providing a protein and rich low-calorie meal that will help you keep full and satisfied throughout the morning. Here are the specific ingredients for breakfast casserole. 4 large eggs, 1 cup diced vegetables, 1/4 cup reduced fat shredded cheese, salt and pepper, desired herbs, spices for seasoning. Here is the process for making breakfast casserole. Number 2. Egg mayo sandwich, 310 calories. Enjoying a satisfying egg mayo sandwich with approximately 310 calories. Offering a protein-rich and flavorful breakfast option, the sandwich combines boiled eggs, creamy mayo, and vegetable fresh, providing a balanced and filling meal to kickstart your day. Here are the specific ingredients for egg mayo sandwich. 2 hard-boiled eggs, peeled and mashed. 1 tablespoon light mayonnaise. 2 slices of whole grain bread. 1/4 cup sliced vegetables. Salt, pepper, and desired herb spices for seasoning. Here is the process for making egg mayo sandwich. Number 3. Grated potato omelette, 280 calories. Delight in a grated potato omelette with approximately 280 calories, offering a flavorful and low-calorie breakfast option. This recipe combines grated potatoes, eggs, and herbs, creating a delicious and nutritious omelette that will keep you fueled and satisfied. Here are the specific ingredients for grated potato omelette. 1 medium potato peeled and grated, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh herbs, salt, pepper, and desired herbs for seasoning, 1 teaspoon olive oil for cooking. Here is the process for making grated potato omelette. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. High protein 1-packed egg toast, 380 calories. Fuel your morning with a high protein pan egg toast with approximately 380 calories, offering a delicious and protein-packed breakfast option. This recipe combines eggs, whole grain bread, and vegetables, creating a nutritious and flavorful dish that will keep you energized and satisfied. Here are the specific ingredients for high-protein 1-pan egg toast. 2 large eggs, 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1/4 cup sliced vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms, salt, pepper, and desired herb spices for seasoning, 1 teaspoon olive oil for cooking. Here is the process for making high-protein 1-pan egg toast. Number 5. Omelette in a hole, 180 calories. Experience a unique twist on a classic with omelette in a hole, providing approximately 180 calories and a fun and nutritious breakfast option. This recipe combines eggs, and whole grain bread, creating a delicious and low-calorie dish that is visually appealing as it is satisfying. Here is the specific ingredients for omelette in a whole. 1 large egg, 1 slice of whole grain bread, salt, pepper, and desired herb spices for seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon olive oil for cooking. Here is the process for making omelette in a whole. Number 6. Omelette grilled sandwich, 330 calories. Enjoy a flavorful omelette grilled sandwich with approximately 330 calories. Offering a protein-rich and satisfying breakfast option, this recipe combines eggs, vegetables, and whole grain bread, creating a filling and delicious sandwich that will keep you fueled and ready for the day. Here are the specific ingredients for omelette grilled sandwich. 2 large eggs, 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1/4 cup sliced vegetables, salt, pepper, and desired herb spices for seasoning, 1 teaspoon olive oil for cooking. Here is the process for making omelette grilled sandwich. Number 7. Crispy egg rolls, 290 calories. Savor the crunch and flavor of crispy egg rolls with approximately 290 calories, offering a delightful and weight loss friendly breakfast option. These egg rolls are filled with a delicious mixtures of eggs and vegetables, providing a protein-packed meal that will keep you satisfied and energized. Here are the specific ingredients for crispy egg rolls. 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup shredded vegetables, 1 tablespoon low-sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, salt, pepper, and desired herb spices for seasoning, 4 egg roll wrappers, cooking spray or oil for frying. Process for making crispy egg rolls. Number 8. Delicious egg wrap recipe, 300 calories. Indulge in a delicious egg wrap with approximately 300 calories, offering a flavorful and protein-rich breakfast option. This recipe combines eggs, vegetables, and whole grain tortillas, creating a satisfying and portable wrap that will keep you fueled throughout the morning. Here are the specific ingredients for delicious egg wrap. 2 large eggs, 1 whole grain tortilla, 1/4 cup sliced vegetables, salt, pepper, and desired herb spices for seasoning, 1 teaspoon olive oil for cooking. And that concludes our list of 8 healthy breakfast egg recipes for weight loss. We hope you found these recipes inspiring and delicious. If you have any other breakfast recipes that you'd like to share, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a healthy bite. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Healthy Bites. Bye!